Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick announcement of a new build for 19H1, a insider preview build, 18346 released for Fast Ring insiders. So we're at 3 builds in less than a week, which is kind of a faster pace of release. Typically, that's what we get when we get closer and closer to what will officially be the OEM or the official release of what will be Windows 10 for the April 2019 update. So we're installing it right now. As usual, what we will do is issue a video later today, and we'll talk about what's new. Probably nothing new really in there, but we will highlight, like we do now, a new feature for the April 2019 update. Hope that you enjoyed this view and this look at what we will have in the future. If it's a minor new feature, sometimes we could highlight maybe 2 or 3. It depends on what we have to talk about. So it's going to be interesting to see. So head on to your Fast Ring Insider machines. If you're on the slow ring and you're wondering what is happening exactly with slow ring builds, yeah, the slow ring builds are not being released, and Donna Sarkar issued a Twitter post this morning saying that the reason why slow ring builds are not released is that there's a glitch in what is the anti-cheat technology used in some games. So if you do have that, what happens is that it green screens, or basically it has a green screen of death in your Windows Insider previews. So that's why they're not releasing to slow ring right now. So anyways, build 18346 available. My review is coming up later today. Head onto your machines and hope that the install goes well. And that, of course, is today, February the 26th, 2019. Who knows? If it's Tuesday, it wouldn't be impossible. We get another build this week. Anything is possible. For skip ahead, of course, nothing announced yet. We'll see, probably or possibly. There could be a skip ahead later this week. So we'll be, of course, talking about it. Skip ahead information is only in the Windows Insider channel. The only builds of insiders that I talk about here on the main channel is the ones that are for the next version of Windows, not the skip ahead. So if you want to have more details of all of that, the Insider channel has more details of insider stuff. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.